Welcome once again, and today we will complete the final setup and make our environment fully configurable for writing the test case and execution. So this is the final step, and in this lesson what we are going to learn is that we are going to learn the Webdriver manager update, Webdriver manager comments, and finally starting a Selenium server. In the last section, we have discussed how we can install the node npm and download the Protractor package using npm. We have also verified each and every components has been successfully installed or not using the version command or -v command in respective cases. Today's session we will be using Webdriver manager update. I would like to refer you Protractor official website, and we have completed till this step npm install -g space Protractor. Now we are going to use Webdriver manager update. The first thing that comes in mind is that why we are going to use the Webdriver manager update. The Webdriver manager update is a helper tool easily used to get an instance of a Selenium server running. We can use it. We need to download couple of things, that is Selenium and Selenium server, and different other, that is browsers, browser informations, browser versions, and all this can be done using Webdriver manager update. In Selenium, if you can remember, we used to write a line, that is system.setProperty Webdriver Chrome driver and the path of the Chrome driver. Somewhere in the entire framework it has been written somewhere. Okay, what does this line means? This line actually says where our Chrome driver, original Chrome driver, that is .exe, chrome.exe is located, which is instantiated when the Selenium is trying to open it. Okay, so where it will look for the exe file. So this is defined in system.setProperty. In Protractor, we don't need to define it explicitly here, but we can do so, but at this moment we don't need to do that. Okay, so let's run this fun. We will write Webdriver manager update. Okay, provide a hyphen between Webdriver and manager. Okay, press enter and let's check what is coming. So it is going to install all the dependencies, all the curl and Selenium, Chrome, Gecko, Chrome driver, and everything is getting installed here, right? Just do it one more time. We can see that is up to date. Okay, Selenium server is up to date, Gecko driver is up to date, so everything is up to date. Now the next thing is that we have to start the Selenium server. To start the Selenium server, we will use a command which is Webdriver -manager start. Okay, we will write there Webdriver -manager and then start. We press the enter and we will wait for the Selenium server to run. We can see that Selenium process is running on 4600, initializing Webdriver server. Selenium server is up and running on port number 4444. Once the Selenium server is running on port number 4444, we need to check the server information at the browser level. We will go to localhost 4444/wd and /hub. Once we press enter, we have two buttons, create session and a refresh session, right? On doing the create session button or on pressing the create session button, we have a pop-up running there saying browser. On the drop down, we will choose Chrome and press OK. Once we choose Chrome and press OK, it will open a Chrome with a session ID. This is the session ID, okay, and couple of more functionalities are present. So we will learn about these things in the advanced section of the Protractor testing, and we will now successfully, our main motto is that whether the Protractor is running on our machine successfully or not. Yes, it is running successfully. Selenium server is up and running, and now we will delete the session. That means the browser will be closed. We'll close this browser also, and we will try to shut it down. Couple of more commands that is quite be handy for you is that, let me tell some commands. Webdriver manager, and if we press their status, it will return the status and what are the versions. See, it will return the Selenium Server standalone version available and the version number, Chrome driver, Gecko driver, and other type of drivers. Okay, so in this way we can learn a more bit about it. You can do sometime if the Chrome driver, this is very important, which I am saying in the next. This command which I am going to discuss is very important. Webdriver manager clean. Okay, if sometimes your Webdriver does not, or the Selenium server does not run, then you have to use this one, Webdriver manager clean, right? This will remove the files. Okay, and next just start once. This is removed all the files, which is Webdriver manager clean. Now we have to run the Webdriver manager update, right? Now it will download the fresh copies from the npm website or npm repository, and it will be completed within a few minutes. Let's run for another time to get the status. Yes, it is, jar is up to date, Gecko driver is up to date. That means everything is running. Okay, so this, and next if you press start, it will start. So whenever your Webdriver does not start properly, we have to do these things. Okay, let's terminate this process for now. Okay, well, for any kind of help you have to write this command, Webdriver manager start, then write help. Okay, then it will give a lot of options to help you out. And say you want to get a help for clean, you have to write there clean and then write the help. Okay, then also it will give some commands or give some parameters to help you out. So if you are stuck, you can go to the help and make your doubts clear. I'm also ping me out, I can also help you if there is some error occurred while installing or not set up. So that's, we can close up this session for today, and we will come with more Protractor testing in our next lecture.